Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to install WordPress in cPanel on your domain name, right? And in our previous video we have seen or learned like how to buy a good domain name for your website, and then how to purchase your domain name, and then how to purchase a hosting plan, and then how to connect your domain name with hosting plan. If you have seen those videos, then it's good, and if you have not seen those videos, then you can visit our YouTube channel and can check out the playlist, right? So now we are going to install the WordPress in cPanel on our domain name that we have connected with our hosting plan earlier, right? As you can see, I am into my GoDaddy account, and here we just need to click on this profile icon, and now the my products. Okay, so we are into our products. Here all domain names and hosting plan that we have purchased in our GoDaddy account will be shown, right? So I'm simply clicking it on it again, and my products, right? Okay, so we are there, and you can see I have purchased too many domain names, and now I'm going to enter the web hosting. So here we need to click on the manage. So we are just managing our hosting plan, and here there is an option of cPanel admin, control panel admin. I think you have heard about the control panel before also. Whenever you need to uninstall a software in your computer, then you visit the control panel. Similarly, there is a control panel of your hosting plan from where you can control all of your resources in the hosting. So we are going to click on cPanel admin. So this is control panel admin, right? As you can see, cPanel is written over here. Scrolling down, we just need to search for the application section where we will find the WordPress application, right? Scrolling down, so as you can see, we have seen this application in the top section. Okay, so in the application section you just need to click on the WordPress, because right now we are installing WordPress on our domain name, right? And here there is an option of install application. It is quite similar like installing an app on Play Store or App Store. It is very much easy, right? Just click on this install application. In this similar way, I will teach you how to design a website easily, so no need to worry. Okay, here it is asking us on which domain name you want to install your WordPress application. So like I have too many domain names, so all domain names added in my hosting plan or connected in my hosting plan are displayed over here, right? So I just need to select the domain name with which I just want to connect my WordPress, right? So here are 4 domain names. Let me zoom it for you. Like earlier we have connected this domain digitalbikana.com in our hosting plan, and in this video we are installing WordPress application on this domain name. So as you can see, there are 4 different variants of the same domain name, right? In the above 2 variants you can see like S is missing over here, so SSL certificate is not installed, right? So if I select among these 2 variants, then automatically the SSL certificate would not be installed on this domain name. Whereas when I purchased this hosting plan, then I have told you earlier that this hosting plan comes with an inbuilt SSL certificate that is free for lifetime, right? So again we have these 2 options. As we have inbuilt SSL plan, so we will go with these 2 variants, right? If I talk about these 2 variants, then these 2 variants have extra S. It means SSL certificate is installed on them, right? So here if I talk about this particular domain name, then www is missing, right? And here www is getting displayed, although it doesn't matter whatever you select, right? But mostly people have perception, like if they see www over a domain name, then they think that particular website is world wide web related, right? So no matter, you can select any of them, right? So I'm going to select this as of now, and here let's zoom out, and you can see version 6.8.3 is getting installed, right? And if I talk about the language, here you can select any language in which you want your WordPress to be installed. Many regional languages would not be available over here because WordPress is available like in international language or like national languages, so regional languages would not be there, right? Because WordPress application is made in these languages only. But it doesn't means that you cannot create a website in your regional language. You can install the WordPress in this language, and when you will be building your website, then you will be typing, and at that time you can type in your regional language, no issues over there, right? So here it is asking me about the administrator username, whatever the administrator username I want to keep. So let's keep it quite simple. Okay, and here it is asking us to keep the password, so let me enter the password over here. Here we can enter the email address of admin, right? So I have simply entered the admin email address. Make sure you enter email ID and correct email ID and username and password, as these details would be required whenever you log in the backend of your website. Whenever you log in into the admin dashboard, then it will ask you about your username and password, right? Whatever you keep it here. So here you can simply add the website title. So I have entered the website title over here, and here you can enter the tagline, right? So whatever the tagline you want to keep for your website, you can simply add it over here. It is not required to enter the website title and tagline over here. You can also change it later when you will be designing your website. Scrolling down, right, and we will click on install, and our WordPress would be installed on our domain name in cPanel. So this is how you can install the WordPress on your domain name in cPanel. Apart from it, if you have already bought your domain name and hosting plan, then it's good. And if you have not purchased the domain name and hosting plan for your website, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned the GoDaddy link over there. Just simply visit the godaddy.com and purchase the domain name and hosting plan. Also, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then I have mentioned my website link in video description. Kindly check out our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.